Every advertiser on Facebook and Instagram has retargeting in their account or has to have retargeting in their account. And AdAmigo.ai, of course, can create retargeting strategies for you with just a simple text prompt, and it creates world-class retargeting strategies into your account. The first question, of course, is what is retargeting? And I'll explain it to you, but you can also just ask AdAmigo. So what is retargeting? And it's going to take some time and explain it to you. Now, keep in mind, again, disclaimer, this is beta version 01. We have done 0 speed optimizations. As a result, the speed is rather slow. The style, functionality, and speed of the platform is improving every single day. So just keep that in mind. Now, retargeting is basically, if you're running ads, if you are promoting your business on blogs or with influencers, you'll get people interested in your product. You'll get them to visit your website, right? Now, it is proven, and I think you will agree in your own buying behavior, that we tend to not make a decision right out of the gate. Sometimes it happens, these impulse purchases, right? It happens more than you would actually think, but some need more time to come around, and you do not want to lose them because you spent all that effort and money to win them in the first place and have them visit your website. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an audience of our website visitors that have visited our website, and we're going to target them again with Facebook ads, so they will keep seeing your ads until they made a buying decision. Also, on the creative side, and this is all stuff that also AdAmigo can consult you on, it's another opportunity for you to handle objections. They've been on your website, they didn't buy. Why? Maybe they have a lack of trust. So you should have some user testimonials. You should have the founding story. You should show your face to build that trust, right? Maybe they're missing urgency. I can buy it next month, right? So you need to find ways to inject urgency with your ad copy and creative. And maybe they're missing information. Is there a money back guarantee? How long does shipping take? Do you ship into my country even, right? So you can also use retargeting ads to attack those objections. Now, let's see what AdAmigo came up with here. So AdAmigo now basically explained to me what is retargeting, what is a good way of setting up retargeting, and also here, what are some audiences that I should have? There's many different ways to approach retargeting, and it actually explains some of them right here, and it explains to you why they're bad, right? And then comes up with the best solution. I want to move the video forward. You can pause here and you can read how detailed it is and how strategic AdAmigo thinks, because it's been trained on our $300 million or higher experience of ad spend that we've managed over the last decade or so, right? Now, this is super interesting here. That's basically the retargeting strategy it suggests. So in the next step, what I can do is please create a new campaign, name it Chris AdAmigo.ai retargeting demo, right? Launch 2 ad sets into the new campaign. One targeting a custom audience of my website visitors 0 to 5 days, it says here, no? 0 to 5 days, and another custom audience targeting website visitors 5 to 30 days. Set daily budget to 33 for each ad set. Boom. So I now basically just briefed AdAmigo, go ahead and create the strategy for me. Actually, and probably, and my developer colleagues will probably get angry at me that I wrote the entire brief here. You could have just said, please launch that retargeting strategy, right? You could have done that as well. But I just want to show you here that even if you don't ask this question first, you can just brief AdAmigo on what you want to create in the account, and AdAmigo then goes ahead and creates it for you. Another thing that I haven't done now here, because I wanted to move forward because the typing took some time, you could also just say, hey, and then please take all ads with over 3 sales, or take the best selling ads or the ads with the highest draws and duplicate them into these ad sets, right? So you can create the campaign, ad set, and ad. Now keep in mind, speed, again, full disclaimer, it's still slow. I'm not going to cut the video. I'm not going to have an AI fake demo, as there are many out there. That being said, speed optimization is on the way. It's going to be 10 times faster in a week or two. And it's probably still faster than actually working in the ads manager. So there you go. The campaign has been successfully created. Ad set 1 and ad set 2 has been launched. It confirms here the budgets that it set. It confirms the audiences it injected. Now, I do not want to cut the video here. I actually want to show you in the ad account. Now, this is the ad account. Note how I have no campaign yet here that has the name, right? And now let me refresh. And let me see, here it is, Chris, AdAmigo.ai, retargeting demo. Here are the two ad sets. Let me open the settings for the ad sets. You can see here, there's the custom audience, 5 to 30 days. It actually targets the United States. I didn't specifically tell it this, but AdAmigo checks your ad account, and every single audience in this ad account is targeting the United States. So it has that context window and basically does these configurations in such a case to avoid mistakes, right? Well, that's basically that. You can see here the budget is also set correctly. And that's it. So that's AdAmigo. That's how you can create your retargeting strategy. Of course, another thing I can do is show me my ads with more than one purchase last 30 days, or show me my highest ROAS ad, let's go straight to that, because now I didn't brief it already on injecting the ads, right? So I want to do that right now. I'm pulling up ads that work well in the past in my ad account, and I'll then ask it to duplicate this ad. Ad sets. There you go. So I'm just asking you to duplicate this ad into the ad sets. I could have also asked AdAmigo to show me a preview of the ad. We're actually building right now the functionality that it will show you in the chat window, the image, the ad copy. It will show you the preview of the ad in AdAmigo itself. I don't know what kind of ad it is because I remember the name. But you can also already, as the product stands right now and as the product is being recorded right now, you can ask for the preview link, and then you can open up the link separately. But yeah, now it's duplicating these ads into the ad sets. Just real quick to show you, no ads inside right now. It says also here. There you go. And now you can see it has successfully duplicated the ad into the ad sets. Let me just quickly go ahead and refresh. Zack. And then I go inside, and you can see here it launched the ad into those ad sets. So yeah, that's basically how you can create your retargeting strategy. You can obviously dive a little bit deeper into this if you want to. You can also create retargeting audiences based on ads to cart data if that's something that's relevant to you, or whatever else you can come up with. As long as you can write it into AdAmigo, AdAmigo can go ahead and do it for you. So I hope this was valuable, and thank you very much for watching.